Okay friend, today we will show you about the Audi A7 C8. We changed the front, the side and the rear body kit. Let's show you front. Logo you can choose the black or silver, and the ACC laser horns we also reserve this. The RS body kit for the A7 C8 new model. It is the perfect fitment, and the radar horn in here, and this size. The customers also changed the size. Show you size girls like this one. It's the perfect fitment for the A7. Details. Let's show you the details. Okay. RS7 size girls and rear body kit. The pipe. This one. The rear body kit for this is also perfect fitment. The new car model is new car model. You can see the wheel rims is new. Customers new model, and to our stores change the size, the body kit. Okay, show you. If you need this model body kit, please contact us. Okay, let us to know. We can send to you to your doors. Okay, show you. Hello friends, do you need the wheel rims? It's original car wheel rims. See, because the size have another car. This original car wheel rims, not change. It's new wheel rims. I think it's same as your car. Same or different? I'm not sure. Like this car model. The size has another car. So I just take the video for you. Okay friends, because I don't have the car keys, so let's show you. If you need the washer, the headlight washers, you can use this, open it and they will. 这个是大灯的倾斜盖是吧？然后开启之后 they will open it and use this to here to washing the headlight. Okay, here it's easy. Okay, please don't worry, it's real. And this side also same. As when you open the headlights, the washer, okay, some problem. They will open it and use this to clean the headlight. Okay, I think that's okay. Yes, I know the camera hole and the radar hole in the sides also have here, in here, and also have the parking center hole in here. Yes, I know, same, it's same with this car model. I think it's same, and the rear also is same in here. So parking center hole and this is same, also is same with the original car. Okay, I know this is the fake the ACC and the laser. Yes, laser is fake. It's also fake. This car also not have this, but there has a camera. Camera is real. Fake. Okay.